In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use non-breaking spaces and hyphens in your documents effectively. These little tools can be incredibly useful for maintaining the neatness and readability of your text, so let's dive right in. Firstly, let's talk about the non-breaking space. This is particularly useful when you want to keep two words together on the same line, preventing them from splitting at the end of a line. Imagine writing about a team, like New York, where you would prefer both words to stay together. Here's how you can do it. The quickest way is to use a keyboard shortcut. For a non-breaking space, simply press Ctrl, Shift, and the spacebar all at once. This simple shortcut is handy and efficient, keeping those words glued together no matter how the text adjusts on your screen. If you'd prefer to use the ribbon in your word processing software, here's how. Navigate to the Insert tab at the top of the window. From there, click on Symbol, then select More Symbols at the bottom of the drop-down menu. In the dialog box that appears, head over to the Special Characters tab. Here, you'll see a variety of special options, but the one you want is non-breaking space. Click on Insert to place it in your document, and then hit Close to exit the dialog. A little insider tip. When you have non-printing characters turned on, signified by the paragraph mark icon, you'll see the non-breaking space represented as a small degree symbol. This visual cue is a great way to ensure you've placed the non-breaking space correctly. Now let's shift focus to the non-breaking hyphen. This is particularly useful for keeping hyphenated words intact, such as a phone number or a compound word, ensuring they don't split at the end of a line. The keyboard shortcut for a non-breaking hyphen is nearly as simple. Press Ctrl, Shift, and the hyphen key. It's that easy. If you'd like to use the ribbon method for a non-breaking hyphen, head back to the Insert menu. Once again, click on Symbol and choose More Symbols. Then, in the Special Characters tab, select Non-Breaking Hyphen. Just like before, click Insert to place it into your document and Close to finish up. This small change ensures that word pairs stay consistently together, making your document look polished and professional. Using these tools might seem like a small detail, but they greatly enhance the quality of your documents. Your text becomes easier to read, looks cleaner, and maintains the intended meaning without awkward line breaks. By using these techniques, you're not just making your document look better, you're improving its overall effectiveness. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you've learned how to master non-breaking spaces and hyphens to keep your words and ideas seamlessly connected. Thanks for watching, and happy writing.